Hey TeeSquad, welcome back to Spilling Teas, your go-to spot for custom t-shirts, tutorials, design tips, and behind-the-scenes hustle. If you love do-it-yourself apparel, creativity, and turning it into cash, you are in the right place. All of my contact info is below in the description area. Don't hesitate to connect. Today's discussion will focus on Bitly, a valuable tool for enhancing professional networking. This platform offers solutions for managing lengthy URLs and facilitating quick access to information through scannable QR codes. Furthermore, I will demonstrate the application of Bitly in generating a QR code for my apparel, which will identify me as a YouTube content creator and alleviate any potential concerns during filming. So let's proceed with the details. Okay, I am going to make me a QR code to put on the back of my shirt. First, let me pull up my website. Okay, the website we're going to go to is bitly.com, bitly.com. For those of you that don't know, with Bitly, you can use this website to shorten your long URL addresses. You can build QR codes and landing pages to engage your audience and connect them to the right information. Build, edit, and track everything inside the Bitly Connections platform. So here, if you want to shorten a link, you can click right here. And if you want a QR code, you can click right here. Oh, I want a QR code. No credit card required. Create a QR code. Enter your QR code destination. And that is going to be okay. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this. All right. It's normally okay, yeah, the HTTPS semicolon //. Okay, it did it for me. Get your QR code for free. Create your account. So they have 4 different packages. The free plan, you only get 2 QR codes a month, 5 links per month, 2 custom landing pages, 3 custom halfbacks a month, whatever that is, unlimited clicks and QR code scans, QR code customization. So that's good. I mean, it depends on what all you're doing and how much of this stuff you need to be able to know what plan. Me, myself, I think this free plan is actually good for right now. So I'm just going to click on that. Give me 1 second while I enter my information. Okay. Tell us a bit about yourself. What should we call you? MJ. How will you use this? Oh, you can do personalized SMS communications. So your selection will be used to personalize your experience. So this, can we click all of them? Or, okay, effective landing pages, that digital marketing, okay, advanced analytics and tracking, API for developers. I forgot what API. Let's look it up. An API, or application programming interface, for developers is a set of defined rules and protocols that allow different software applications to communicate with each other. It acts as an intermediary, specifying how one piece of software can request services or data from another. As an example, a weather application on your phone uses a weather API to get the current temperature and forecast. Instead of the app having its own complex system for gathering weather data, It uses the API provided by a weather service like Open Weather Map. The app sends a request to the API specifying the location, and the API responds with the weather data in a structured format. The app then displays this information to the user. Okay, I don't know if I need it, but I'm going to click it anyway. Tell us about your work. What does your company do? Retail. How many people work at your company? 1 to 49. What is your role? Owner. Continue. Where would you like to start? Here you can choose to create a short link, a QR code, a landing page, or set up a custom domain. QR code. Create a new bit.ly code. Destination. I already have my website copied and I'm going to paste it in the box. Okay. Hit enter to quick create. Now look at that. Already my QR code is ready. So I'm going to just download it for right now. Please ensure the information is stored in a retrievable location for future reference. Download. I'm putting in desktops. Spelling TeeSquad code. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to take a picture of this. To verify the functionality, please scan the QR code with your mobile device to confirm it directs to the intended destination. Now I'm going to follow it and see if it opens. Oh, that's how I wanted it. Open link. Let's see if it go to my... And it did. That is awesome. Now, you know what? I thought about it. I am going to keep this QR code, but what I want to do is make one for my YouTube page, because that is what the t-shirt is for. In my situation, this approach allows me to cultivate brand recognition while also promoting my YouTube channel. It is important to always consider the placement of your QR codes, ensuring they encourage people to scan them in a comfortable and inviting manner. Just remember, bad guys also make these to redirect people to malicious websites, download malware, or steal your personal information. So make sure your customers feel safe when they scan them. Also, make sure to snap a shot of this picture to give you some ideas of how to use your QR code. So let me go back. Create another one. Okay. I want to put in here the page that you go to automatically subscribe. So let's see. My subscription link that another wonderful super duper content creator showed me how to do. Can't wait to mention her. She is really the bomb. At SPILING. Is that right? SPILLING TEES 313 question mark SUB underscore confirmation equal sign number 1. Title. Spilling Teas YouTube. Okay. Ways to share. Short link. Create a link that directs users to the same destination as your QR code. 5 left. Oh, that's cool. Advanced. Then I'm gonna have to upgrade. Okay, nah. Bulk upload. Create a bit.ly code. Hit enter to quick create. All right. I'm gonna download this one as well. Yep, that can go to the desktop, and I'm gonna put Spilling Teas YouTube Q. Oops. QR code. Save. I'm gonna take a picture with my phone. Let's do it this way. Now I'm going to click on it. I gotta do it again. All right. That is so awesome. So that is how you create QR codes. Just make sure you have the full URL of wherever you want it to be sent and put it in there, and you good to go. So that is the one that is going to be on the back of my shirt. All right. And that's the end of that. Hey, make sure you hit that notification bell after you subscribe so you'll be notified when I release the video. I will be demonstrating how I apply this QR code to a t-shirt using a DTF transfer that I made myself. After the video is finished, I will include the link in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Catch you later. Much love.